Hey guys, my name is Dayer and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a powerful aloe vera and avocado seed hair mask that will strengthen and restore your hair follicles if used consistently and efficiently. The power of avocado seed is incredible. It helps repair damaged and broken hair, adds shine and softness, supports hair growth, and brings your hair back to life.
1, 2, 3.
To make this treatment, start by taking one avocado seed and grating it, then putting it into a pan. Avocado seeds are rich in nutrients like natural biotin, vitamins, and antioxidants. They also help strengthen the hair roots, reduce frizz, fight dandruff, improve scalp health, and prevent hair loss. To make this mask even more powerful, I'm adding ginger. I will now add both the avocado seed and the ginger into my blender with 1 glass of water, and you will go ahead and blend it until it's smooth. This is what the mixture looks like after blending it. I'm now going to use a pantyhose to strain the mixture. And this is how it looks like. Continuing on, I'm adding about 4 spoonfuls of cornstarch. Go ahead and mix everything up and then put it on the stove on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes until it reaches this consistency. When it looks like this, take it off the stove and let it cool down. Here I have my aloe vera, which is already washed. I'll scoop out the gel and add it into the mixture, then mix everything well. As you can see here, I'm adding the first mixture, and then I'll be adding the aloe vera right into that. Now let's mix it up. After mixing it well, you now have a powerful hair mask that can transform your hair, helping it go from thin and weak to thicker, stronger, and healthier. You can use this mask once or twice a week, and make sure to rinse it out once you're done with it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Please, let me know if you tried this amazing hair mask out and how your experience was in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!